We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up TGL stock. We are in the monthly time frame. So we have price action overall grabbing that highest high. Price action overall, lowest low. Midpoint in the middle. Let's add second level highs. And add second level lows. Price action on the monthly time frame is a huge bullish green candle with the long wick down to the bottom. Could be a support. Maybe additional candles may identify for the markets pushing in a direction. Price action on the weekly time frame. Bullish green candle, same size. Price action on the daily time frame. Same candle, same size. Price action on the 4-hour time frame. So price action on the 4-hour time frame is a bullish green candle with a long wick down to the bottom. Second to last candle is a bigger candle with a long wick down to the bottom. They both bullish green candles. Okay, so what the market is identifying is that second last candle has pushed up. It did a slight break of the second level highs, but definitely the midpoint of that black line. And then price action came back to retest and then push up further. So as we walk down the time frame, we may be identifying a break and a retest somewhere in this area between price action, overall highest highs, and the midpoint. On a 3-hour time frame, price action on a 3-hour time frame is a small bullish green candle with a long wick up to the top. Second last candle is a larger candle with a bullish green candle with another wick up to the top and wick up to the bottom. So we'll talk about that as well. And third last candle is just a huge doji. So what the market did was break up, came back down for a retest. Second last candle spiked up to that high, and then price action spiked up to the high again. So near price action is identifying a double top in that area, so it's having a hard time breaking that resistance. We do have price action body above the previous body, but price action wick is lined up with the previous wick. So that market is in a slight double top / consolidation until we walk down the time frame identifying what's going on. On a 2-hour time frame, we have price action, second last candle, third last candle, same size candles, same design as the 3-hour time frame. What's additional is the fourth last candle is a bearish red candle with a long wick up to the top. So what happened is price action, fourth to last candle, spiked that area with that low of support. Third last candle pushed up. Second last candle retest and spiked up twice with the price action. Okay, so price action is still working its way sideways and is in consolidation as well because having a hard time breaking to the next level, at least with the wick. The wick body is above the previous body. On the 1-hour time frame, now we can identify that retest in that area. So let's read the market from the beginning. So price action, second last candle, same candles from the previous time frame of the 2-hour time frame. So starting from the beginning, market spiked down, market broke. Fourth to last candle came back to retest. Price action broke again. Third last candle retest. Second last candle pushed up and is reading the same thing near price action as the 2-hour time frame and the 3-hour time frame. On the 45-minute time frame, we can see that market joined itself out. Now we have some areas of levels that can push up for that support. So what's happening is price started off with the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we do have a double bottom incline. Okay, price did break second level highs, but we don't see a retest yet for that market to push up further. Market can still push up if we receive a bullish green candle That's going to identify the break of that overall high or highs. If not, market can run into that area of resistance and work its way down back for the retest, and could still pick up some momentum and work its way back up. If not, if it breaks the price action overall second level highs, we look for that break and retest for the market come down. If that does happen, price action will be coming down from a pattern. The pattern is price action second last candle has tagged that area twice. So that's identifying a double top. If we receive a bearish candle, market can break, come back down. If it breaks the second level highs, that will be a double top at the top. The break of the second level highs, retest the bottom, and market's coming from a double top and a retest. On the 30-minute time frame, we have multiple pushes to that top. So price action on the 30-minute time frame is a bullish green candle. Second is a bearish red candle. Third last candle is a solid bullish green candle with no wicks. So it's still identifying multiple pushes to that top. Also a pattern for a break and retest in that area. Okay, so what's happening? Third to last candle has pushed up. Second last candle came back for a retest. And then price action is trying to break up above the second last candle, but it's losing momentum altogether. We still have that break and retest. So it's identifying a break and retest. Okay, it's also identifying consolidation because we have price action, second last candle and third last candle side by side with one another. And also price action ran into that resistance not once, but 3 times. Not really much with the third last candle, but at least the second and the first last candle has tagged that area of resistance, but it still can identify as a triple top. On the 15-minute time frame, now we can see the full structure. So it is identified as at least a third leg. So what's happened is that market pushed up for the first leg, second leg, third leg, and then if we receive a bearish red candle or pattern at price or after price, market's coming from that double top, and we're looking for the break and retest for that market to go down. But overall, market did spike that area how many times? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, identifying a quadruple top in that area, maybe 5 pushes to that top. If you want to add the fifth to last candle, maybe not. And if you can see, price action and the fourth last candle has created those retests in that area of that midpoint. So we're going to see if it's going to respect and work its way up, or is it going to come down from that double top that we identified on this time frame and previous time frames. On the 5-minute time frame, we do have price actions, a bearish red candle still hanging up at the top of that area. So let's take a look at what's going on. We do have that overall first, second, third, and we still looking for that pattern to identify itself in this area from Forex pattern cheat sheet. And if it identifies a bearish red candle, close out, market can come down from that double top. Once again, we identifying, and if it's respected, market can work its way up for that W, as we can see, coming down for the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Price actions a retest. If we receive a bullish green candle, market's pushing up from a overall triple bottom, a double bottom, and a retest. On a 3-minute time frame, still reading the same thing as well. So we do have price action, high, low, midpoint in the middle. So if we add an area here for second level highs within this area, we can see price is engulfing the previous candle, but we definitely want to see price action engulf the third to last candle, close out. And if it does, it's going to push down to that midpoint, may respect it and come right back up. If not, we are looking for that break and retest, which will be identified just in this area for the first, second, third. Market breaks, retest the bottom, market's coming from a double top and a retest, altogether triple top. Altogether triple top, because it will be triple top and a retest if you add this first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2. So it'll be a triple top and a retest. On the 1-minute time frame, still reading the same thing. I mean, we're still receiving that break of that midpoint. Price action so far look like it's working its way down. Price action is a bearish red candle with a wick up to the top. Second last candle also a wick up to the top, so you can have a hard time breaking. So as dropping down, did break the midpoint at area, so it can lead down further. But we have gaps in the market, so we definitely want to wait for a pattern to identify itself to see what's really going on. Maybe looking for the break and retest.